Hey Leo, if I asked you where you're from, what would you say right now?
Oh, that's easy. I'd say, I come from Mexico City.
Okay, now say that again, but pretend we're just having coffee and you're telling me for the first time.
I come from Mexico City. That's what I said.
Ha, I know. And here's the thing that phrase, I come from, is perfectly correct English. It's grammatical. But here's the surprise native speakers almost never say, I come from, when they're just having a casual conversation about their hometown.
Wait, really? But that's what I learned in school. Every textbook, every teacher, I come from, you come from, he comes from. I've been saying that for years.
That's exactly why we're doing this episode today, because you're not alone. In fact, I would say at least 80% of English learners around the world use I come from as their default. And it's not wrong, it's just textbook. It sounds like you're reading from a page, not having a real conversation.
Okay, I'm already feeling a little exposed here. So what should I say instead? Give me the real thing.
The most natural, most common phrase that native speakers use is this: I'm originally from.
I'm originally from. So instead of I come from Mexico City, I would say
Try it.
I'm originally from Mexico City. Huh, that actually sounds smoother. It rolls off the tongue better.
Exactly. And here's why it works. When you say I'm originally from, you're giving a little bit of context. It implies that maybe you live somewhere else now or you've moved around, but your roots are there. It's more conversational. It invites the other person to ask a follow up question.
Okay, that makes sense. So if I say I come from Mexico City, it sounds like I'm just stating a fact, like from a form.
Yes, exactly that. Like you're filling out a visa application.
Oh no, I've been sounding like a visa form in every conversation.
Hey, but now you know. And the good news is, this is a super easy fix. Just swap I come from for I'm originally from. That's it. One small change makes a huge difference.
I'm originally from Mexico City. I like it. What about the next part? Okay, so I've just told someone I'm originally from Mexico City. They're probably going to ask, oh, cool, what's it like? Or tell me about it. What do I say then?
Great question. And this is where a lot of learners freeze. They know the name of their city, but they don't know how to describe it naturally. So they either say nothing or they say something like, it is a big city with many people.
Okay, I've definitely said that before. It is a big city with many people. That sounds so boring.
It does. And again, it's not incorrect. But it's not how a native speaker would describe their hometown. Native speakers use a very specific structure. They say it's known for, and then they add one or two unique things.
It's known for, okay. So for Mexico City, I could say, it's known for its incredible street food and rich history.
Perfect. That's exactly it. Now imagine you're at a party and someone asks about your hometown. You say, I'm originally from Mexico City. It's known for its incredible street food. Instantly, the other person is interested. They might say, oh, I love tacos. What's your favorite? The conversation flows.
Right, because it's known for is like a handshake. It introduces your hometown in an interesting way.
Beautifully said, and there are so many things you can put after it's known for. You can talk about food, like it's known for its seafood. You can talk about nature. It's known for its beautiful beaches. You can talk about culture. It's known for its music festivals. Or even something funny. It's known for having the best coffee on the planet.
I'm going to practice that. I'm originally from Mexico City. It's known for its street food. What about the third part? Because after I say what it's known for, the other person might say, that sounds amazing. I want to go there.
You read my mind. That's exactly where we're going next. Because the third key phrase is, you should visit. And this is so important. When a native speaker wants to invite someone to their hometown, they don't say, you must come or you have to come. That sounds a little too strong. They say, you should visit.
You should visit, like a suggestion, not a command.
Exactly, a warm, friendly suggestion. So let's put all three together. I'm originally from Mexico City. It's known for its street food and rich history. You should visit sometime.
Okay, I'm going to try it. I'm originally from Mexico City. It's known for its incredible street food. You should visit sometime. That sounds like a real person.
It does sound like a real person because it is. That's how real people talk. And here's a bonus tip. If you want to sound even more natural, you can add the word definitely. You should definitely visit.
You should definitely visit. That adds emphasis without being pushy. I like that.
And now, let me tell you about something really common I hear from learners all over the world. For Spanish speakers, for example, there's a tendency to say, I'm from of, because in Spanish you say soy de. So you might hear, I'm from of Mexico City.
Oh, I've heard that before. So it's I'm from Mexico City, not I'm from of Mexico City.
Exactly. Drop the of. For Chinese speakers, the common challenge is word order. In Chinese, you might say, my hometown is in Beijing, and that directly translates. But in English, we say, I'm originally from Beijing, not my hometown is in Beijing. Both are understandable, but I'm originally from sounds much more natural.
That's really helpful. What about Arabic speakers?
Great question. Arabic speakers sometimes say, I come from origin, because the word for originally in Arabic is a noun, not an adverb. So it becomes I come from origin Mexico instead of I'm originally from Mexico. So for Arabic speakers, the key is to put the adverb in the right place. I'm originally from.
Okay, so we've got the three main phrases. I'm originally from. It's known for. You should visit. And we've talked about some common mistakes. Is there anything else learners should watch out for?
Yes. One more thing, and this one surprises a lot of people. The word hometown. In English, hometown is one word. It's not hometown with two words.
Wait, really? I've been writing it as two words.
A lot of people do. But in modern English, it's one word, hometown. Your hometown is the place where you grew up, or the place you consider your original home. So you can say, my hometown is a small fishing village.
My hometown is a small fishing village. One word. Got it.
And here's a fun cultural note. In the United States, people ask about your hometown all the time. It's one of the most common small talk topics. At a party, at a work event, on a first date, where are you from originally? It's a way to connect, to find common ground. So knowing how to answer this question naturally is a huge advantage.
That makes sense. Because if you can answer smoothly, the conversation just keeps going.
Exactly. And if you're playing it safe with I come from and it is a big city, you're closing the door. But with I'm originally from, it's known for, you should visit, you're opening the door. You're inviting the other person in.
Okay, I want to practice this more. Can we do a full example, like a mini conversation?
Absolutely. Let me play the role of a new coworker. Let's do it.
Hey, Leo, I don't think we've met properly. I'm Maya. Where are you from originally?
Hey Maya, I'm originally from Mexico City.
Oh, nice. I've always wanted to visit. What's it like?
It's known for its incredible street food. You can find tacos on almost every corner. You should definitely visit sometime.
That sounded so natural. I didn't even think about the phrases. They just fit perfectly.
That's the goal. When these phrases become automatic, you don't have to think about them anymore. They become part of your natural speech.
Okay, now let's do one with a smaller hometown, because not everyone is from a big famous city. What if someone is from a small town nobody has heard of?
Great question, and this is actually easier than you think. Let's say you're from a small town called Oak Ridge. You could say, I'm originally from a small town called Oak Ridge. It's known for its beautiful lakes. You should visit if you love nature.
I'm originally from a small town called Oak Ridge. It's known for its beautiful lakes. You should visit if you love nature. That works even for a tiny town.
It does. And the phrase it's known for is flexible. If your town isn't famous for anything in particular, you can still use it. It's known for being quiet and peaceful, or it's known for having the best bakery in the state.
So it doesn't have to be something big, it can be something personal.
Exactly. And that's what makes the conversation real. When you share something personal, the other person feels a connection.
Okay, I want to hear you do a full example. Talk about your hometown, Maya. Give me a model to follow.
Sure. I'll tell you about Portland, Oregon, where I grew up. I'm originally from Portland, Oregon. It's known for its rainy weather, and amazing coffee shops you should visit if you're a coffee lover.
I'm originally from Portland, Oregon. It's known for its rainy weather and amazing coffee shops you should visit if you're a coffee lover. I'm going to practice this tonight.
That's the spirit. And here's a small tip for your practice. Don't just memorize the phrases, think about your actual hometown. What is it really known for? The food, the weather, the people, a famous landmark. Make it personal. That's when the magic happens.
Personal. Got it. So it's not about memorizing a script. It's about having the tools to tell your own story.
That's beautiful, Leo. That's exactly what we're doing here. We're giving you the tools to tell your story in English in your own voice.
Before we wrap up, let's do a quick review. What are the 3 phrases again?
Let's say them together. 1, I'm originally from.
I'm originally from.
2, it's known for.
It's known for.
3, you should visit.
You should visit.
Perfect. And the bonus word if you want to add emphasis?
Definitely. You should definitely visit.
Ha 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 ha. You nailed it.
This has been so helpful. I feel like I can walk into any conversation now and talk about my hometown without sounding like a textbook.
That's the whole point of Speak Like a Native. We want you to speak like a real person, not like a robot.
If you're listening and you want to practice, here's your challenge. Right now, in the comments, introduce your hometown using these 3 phrases. I'm originally from. It's known for. You should visit. Maya and I will be reading them, and we'll give you feedback.
And if you found this episode helpful, please hit that subscribe button. It helps us reach more learners like you. We have a new episode every single day.
Thanks for listening, everyone. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Bye for now.
Take care.